Hi, this is Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse Frugally with an amazing haul. I figured out that I got about probably $250 worth of stuff for about 25 bucks, so 10%. And you are not going to believe some of the amazing stuff that I got. Some are free from my dump and some are from the Goodwill bins. And so I will try to differentiate. And if I know the price, I'll tell you. Most of it, I don't remember the price because it's like one weight at the Goodwill bins. But I will tell you that I paid about $24 total for everything you see. So this ceramic lovebird is absolutely adorable, was free. And I think would look awesome on maybe a wooden post or something. I think maybe out in my garden. I don't think I'm gonna paint this one. I know it's shiny and all, but it would be beautiful in my garden. So that is a possibility for that. Also free from my dump. If you know me at all, you know that I love to collect all kinds of white pictures. You can just never have enough. This one is Royal Crownford ironstone from England. So this is legit ironstone, and I have a number of ironstone pieces, and I love the detail on this one. Free. Also free, this little chipmunk. Not my thing, but I thought again that could be cute, maybe with a plant growing out of it for my garden, but free. So that all came from the good table at my dump. So did this, and this required quite the cleaning. It has a ceramic base, a glass hurricane lamp, and it has a votive candle on it, which has a picture of a Ferdinand Perioff, something I can't read, maybe German. I thought that would be really cute to do that grungy cinnamon look, to paint the base a color that is more conducive to my home, and again, free. So another free item was this wooden sign, Good Deeds Live Long. Very primitive country, has the two hooks on the back. In fact, came from New Jersey from the Pine Snowman, has a label on it, and that was again free. And not included in my haul is this vintage, I think, Mack truck swivel bar stool my husband brought home from the dump. I just saw it about 250 bucks at Wayfair, so that is crazy. Also at my dump, somebody had dropped off a bunch of pine cones, so I took a few of those, and a plastic planter, but I am planting. I'm in the process now of doing a lot of my vegetable gardens, so that will come in handy for free. Also free, a pair of these. These are so big. They are that wrought iron, kind of the rusty. I know a lot of people like that rusty, crusty look. It looks like somebody tried to sell them maybe at a yard sale. Unfortunately, they're both the same size, but they might be interesting as like with a board across them as like a little faux bench, or I may paint them and put something on the top of them. I'm not certain about that yet. So far everything I have shown you was free, and I know I got a number of toys for my granddaughter on the good table that I will insert here because she's already playing with them. And this is the zebra one, has a tremendous amount of stuff. It actually works. It was about $4. The rest of these were just $1 or $2 a piece. All of them work fine. And this cash register will be a lot of fun since she has some fake food and a little cart and all that other stuff. I thought that would be very cute. And then this musical mat was actually free, but that is it for the toys. Also, I got at the Goodwill bin, my husband found this, and it is a stencil. There were 3. The other 2 were not my style, but you can see this one here. It's very large. Doesn't weigh anything, so pretty much free would be my guess, since they do that by weight. Also free was this bottle, has the fairy lights inside, the cork on top, and this really cool net, which I might actually use for a different project with a cloche. I don't know, it's kind of cool. Put a knob on top, very sweet. And now this rest of this was all weighed and came out to be a total of $23, $24. This little wooden chest has the little clasp. It's gonna be so cute if I paint it and put some transfers on that. Oh, I forgot to show you what I got at the dump. I can't even believe this. These are hand painted watercolors. They're small. The artist is Louis Victor. I looked it up. There is a pair, very cute, very small. My daughter likes them. I liked them for the wooden frame, but I didn't want to mess with somebody's watercolor in case it was valuable. And I happened to take it from the dump because it had this inscription on the back. It says, "May the Lord bless you this season and the coming year. Your social studies teacher, Mrs. Samuelson, Christmas, 1957. So I looked them up and they are currently on eBay. Somebody had posted both of them for about $10, $20, I think $20 each. So there's $40 right there. So I've already made money, right? If I sold them, which I'm not going to, but just saying now we are free and then some. As part of that weighed Goodwill bins, I got one of these cute cookie shape rolling pins that I will probably clean up, maybe paint the handles on, not sure, in a future video. One of these that I thought would be so cute to put some nests and some eggs in or something. I'm not sure if I'll do that at some point. I love these, and they had two, but I only got one. Somebody else might enjoy the other one. A rusty, crusty, primitive star. The very first thing I saw at this bin was this. Somebody else had their hands on it, and I thought, oh, that's adorable. If they drop it, I'm taking it. She dropped it. It was mine. So it has chicken wire on both sides. Cute little crate. Barely weighs anything, so didn't cost much at all. Part of the weighed items. A sweet book for my daughter's friend that has all kinds of scrapbooking and journaling and beautiful artwork in it, which is brand new and costs 40 cents. And then the last two items, the heaviest piece was this shoe polisher. I think it's called a shoe polishing station. And they would keep all of their shoe polish and brushes and things inside. You put your foot on the top of it while they polish shoes for you. And I've sold these in the past for $15, $20 when I had a booth or I used to have a shop. It's a little crooked on the hinges, so I'll have to get my husband to help me. And somebody had unfortunately written on it. So I'm going to be sanding this, and very likely I will paint it and do something clever with it. But if you saw my last couple of videos that had the shoe inserts, how cute would that be to put that on top? So technically he said this was $4. So I'm trying to remember what else I got that weighed. The toys weighed something. And then this, the best thing I saved for last. This pair of Sperry's are brand new. They are my size, 8.5. And they have never been worn from the look of it. And I looked them up and they are $120 right now on the website. So I figure $120 for that, and the $40 for the two pictures is $160. Easily another $50 to $100 for everything else. I paid less than 10% for everything that I got. So that is incredible. And I even got more stuff. I put some of it away, but that's the bulk of it. There were a couple baby books and I forget what else, but that was the bulk of it. So let me know what you think what's your favorite. If you have any ideas for anything that I should make over, and also don't forget to stay tuned for these next couple videos, because I'm definitely going to include a couple of these items and do trash to treasure or just flip some of these thrift flip items. So I will see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.